everybody, welcome back to your channel, Diecast, your friend Rafael. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. If you're new, welcome, and give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for future many new videos coming out. Today we're gonna be doing a review on this pickup truck. This is a 1976 GMC Sierra Grande. It says 15 Desert Fox from M2. As you can see, this is R32. That tells you which car number it is if you want to find it quicker. R32. All right, let's take a look. Right here, M2 with limited production, 6,000 pieces worldwide. Details like no other. M2 over here. This toy truck you gotta put together. To put it together, you got wheels, chrome wheels on this side with tires. Right here we got a engine gotta install. On the right side we got two different types of wheels. They're dark black wheels with rubber tires, as you can see, with letters on them. And I'm not sure what this is. We'll find out in a minute. Right here we got a screwdriver so we can put it together. Oh, very nice, very cool. I'm excited about this one. Check it out. Here's the side, here's the bottom. All right, here's the back of the box. If you want to read it, you're more than welcome to. There it is. GMC square body truck. All right, guys, let's open it up and put it together. All right, what's the best way to do it? Here's the instructions right here. We'll check them out in a minute. I'm not sure what this is. Just a cardboard box, nothing in particular. Not sure if this is where you store it after you build it. Not sure. Pretty cool. All right, let's put that to the side. All right, let's check it out. There it is, guys. Wow, very nice. I like the truck. This is one of my favorite pickup trucks. The late 70s, 80s, up to 90s. I really like the Chevy truck, square body trucks. I really like them. Something about them. They're very highly sought after. A lot of collectors that like to collect this type of trucks. And I got a couple in my collection, but this is just one of them. And I like to show it to you guys, open it up. I don't really open my collection, but I will on some of them. Here it is. Let's check it out. We're going to get the screwdriver out. The metal pieces, metal bars for the wheels. Let's put that to the side right there for now. All right, guys, well, this is just a little paper piece. GMC square body trucks. Okay, all right, so they provide their own screwdriver. It's got two screws on the bottom. All you gotta do is remove them and it should release the truck. All right, there it is. Opening parts. The hood opens. The doors don't. Tailgate doesn't either, but it's all good. Pretty heavy. All metal body, metal. It's got a metal vase. Let's set this right here for a minute and look at the instructions. Okay, there they are. Pretty straightforward, simple stuff. Start off with installing the engine. There it is. Seems to be a LT9 upgraded engine from the Corvette, I believe. So yeah, it just pops right in there. I think we're good. All right, what you guys think? Black or chrome wheels? I say we go off with chrome wheels. All right, guys, as you can see, it's got wider wheels in the back. One installed. Go on with the next. So the smaller metal piece actually goes on the rear wheels, and the longer one is for the front. I just noticed that. Makes sense now that I look at it. You gotta install the rear like that, then install the other wheel, press on it. We're all set. All right, well, there it is, guys. Check it out. We install the chrome wheels on this Chevy pickup truck, square body. Very nice. I like it. I really like this stripes on the side. Gives it a nice extra touch to the paint. As you can see, It's got it on the hood, on the sides, a little bit on the back tailgate. GMC. It's got a chrome bumper. I think that's plastic, if I'm not mistaken. Chrome bumper. Well, there it is, guys. Hope you liked the video. The GMC square body. Be a rack, lift rack for 2 trucks. One on the top, one on the bottom. As you can see, put one on the bottom like that and one on the top. Very nice way to store them, display them. Here we got some type of ramps. All right, what you guys think? Chrome wheels or dark wheels? I'll show them to you in a minute. I'll go ahead and install it, pause the video, and switch them out, see, just so you can see the difference with chrome and black wheels. I'll let you guys decide what looks better. Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, so to change out the wheels, you have to loosen up these screws on the bottom side. Once you do that, you can swap them out. The whole piece comes off. Here's the interior, as you can see. There's that right there. All right, let's go ahead and change out the wheels. All right, let's put it back together. Don't forget your seat. All right, check it out, guys. I like it. Gives it a better aggressive look to it. Man, this is beautiful. I really like it. Now it's going to be part of my loose car collection. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments what you like better. Black wheels, chrome wheels. Do you guys collect this M2 trucks, Chevy trucks? Do you guys collect them? If so, let me know. I sure do. I'll be showing more in the future. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Subscribe if you're new. Will really help out the channel, guys. I really appreciate it. Here's the 1976 GMC Sierra truck short bed. All right, guys. Until next time, please stay tuned. Peace out. Your friend Rafael with Carros Diecast.